Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular models, the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker and the Sweetcrispy countertop ice maker. Both machines promise convenience and efficiency, but which one truly stands out? Let's dive into their features, performance, and pricing to find out which ice maker is the best choice for your home or office. When it comes to speed, the Sweetcrispy ice maker takes the lead, producing ice in just 6 minutes, while the Igloo model takes slightly longer at 7 to 8 minutes. This means if you're in a hurry to chill your drinks, the Sweetcrispy may be the better option for you. Versatility is another key factor to consider. The Sweetcrispy model offers 2 different sizes of bullet ice, making it suitable for a variety of beverages and uses. In contrast, the Igloo ice maker only produces one size of cylinder-shaped ice, which may not meet all your chilling needs. Price is always a consideration when making a purchase. The Igloo ice maker is priced at $87, while the Sweetcrispy model is slightly cheaper at $79.99. This difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for the best value for your money. In conclusion, both the Igloo and Sweetcrispy countertop ice makers have their strengths. If you prioritize speed and versatility, the Sweetcrispy is the clear winner. However, if you prefer a compact design and a trusted brand, the Igloo is a solid choice. Whichever you choose, both will enhance your entertaining experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.